When it's time to put away all that holiday decor, don't go out and buy yourself a bunch of containers. You can use what you've got right here. Each of my kids has a little Christmas tree in their room, so I just grabbed this tomato container. All the little ornaments fit neatly inside, and then you're able to close it up. So I've taken the top row of lights off of my kids' tree, and I'm going to start by just putting one of the ends of the lights through the tube, and then you're just going to start wrapping the lights around. The longer the strand, obviously, the more this is going to take, especially if you've got shorter strands, this works really well. You're going to wind the whole thing up around the paper towel tube, double up if you have to, it's totally fine. And then when you get to the end, you are going to secure the prong end into that first end that you started with. And this is a good way just to keep it clasped. And at the top of the tube, just right where it goes. Next, I love the wire lights for all of my centerpieces, but they are such a pain to not be one tangled mess. So an idea that I have, again, with a toilet paper tube, I trim a little slit in the top to feed that first wire through. And then when you get to the very end, I cut another little notch in the other end of the toilet paper tube for the other end of the wire before the battery piece slides into the middle, so that keeps it nice and protected. This is one of my favorite things to do because these wire lights are such a pain to store. The next is going to be ribbon. I love to put ribbon on my tree in tiers, but I can never remember which length of ribbon is which tier. And so by taking the individual ribbon pieces and rolling them up and sliding them inside a toilet paper roll, I can then mark on it which tier it is. And this is just really easy ways to use things you probably already have on hand at home to pack up after the holidays.
Bye.